The Save Tabs extension is a password-protected tab saver and session manager to store tabs in the current window or all of the windows with tab grouping support. This extension has multiple options to save the tabs in the current window, other windows, or all windows altogether to restore them later. This extension can be used for multiple different reasons, and I can demonstrate some of the functionality inside within this video. So to get started, we first add the extension to our chosen browser. We're going to use Chrome, but this extension is also available on Microsoft's Edge and Firefox. After adding to our browser, we can then pin it to the toolbar. Simply left click on the jigsaw piece and then left click on the pin. Now you'll see the extension option inside the browser toolbar. If you'd like to activate this extension for incognito mode of your browser, simply left click on the jigsaw, left click on the three dots and then select Manage Extension. When you scroll down, you'll see the option here to allow an incognito. Simply select that and it can be toggled on and off. Now the extension is installed on our toolbar and available. If we go ahead and right click, we can see a list of current options. So we can left click to open the details, or we can add sessions from a JSON file, we can overwrite the list with sessions from a previous file, or we can export the sessions as a JSON file as well. So let's demonstrate some of the functionality. If we left click, we can then see the options. We can opt to save all tabs, save and close all the tabs, save the current window tabs, which is the browser that we're in, save and close the current window tabs, save tabs from another window, save and close tabs from another window, or just save the selected tabs. So let's demonstrate how this works. So we've got multiple tabs open here, and we can select to save all tabs. So we can give the session a name. So for example, we could call this search engines, and we can give it an optional password. We then have the options below this to include internal tabs in the session, to include pinned tabs in the session, and to make the session permanent as well. When we've entered those options, we press enter, and now those tabs have been saved. Now if we left click, we can see the option to load previous sessions. So we can start by closing down all of these tabs. And now let's reopen them. Now you can see we have no tabs available. We can left click on the toolbar and we see that session. If we go ahead and click this, it asks for our password. If we enter the wrong password, it doesn't allow us to open the tabs. If we enter the correct password, all of those tabs now load. We now have two windows open. So let's go to a different website here. Now we have the ability here to save from another window and close as well. So we have that open. We'll give it the same password. And we've gone ahead and done that, and you can see it's now closed the previous session there. So if we go into here and we select, it now opens that previous session as well. So you can see all of this information is saved within the tabs. We can password protect it for privacy, and it can make loading our browser very simple. We could even use different user states. For example, if different users are using this, they can come on and load up the ones that are important to them. One quick use example may be that you may have leisure tabs. So you may have news, information, and things that you like to do. The other may be work tabs. So you could simply come on to your browser, select whether it's leisure or work, click the group, type in the password, and then it will pop up with all those tabs that you'd expect to use inside that period. This is a quick example, but it shows how much functionality is available with this extension to make browsing, management, and saving tabs streamlined for efficiency as well.